Come on, handle. Oh, the bike pedal's not gonna let me. Really? I took all that stuff out of there. Success! It's in there. Look at that. Yay! Hello and welcome to Random Things. This is Ty, and today I'm gonna go ride around the Hollywood sign. That's kind of a hike, so I'm gonna try to see if I can put my XPremium into the trunk of my Toyota Corolla. Now, if you've seen the video, I've done it with my XP 2.0 in the past, but I've never actually done it with the XPremium. The XPremium is about 8 inches longer than the 2.0, and so that's gonna be a little bit bigger of a bike, but it should fit. So let's give it a try. First, before I do this, I'm going to try to minimize the weight by taking out the batteries so that I don't have to try to lift this 70-pound bike. I just have to lift like a 50-pound bike. This battery, primary battery, I'm going to set it aside. Put it in later. Secondary battery. I'm going to set this down on the kickstand for a second. Put my kickstand up. Okay. So here's the bike. Now the trigger for me to lift this bad boy into the trunk. I am going to remove the seat just to make life a little easier. I don't have to wrangle with the seat. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of strap this bike together so that when I lift it, it doesn't unfold on me. I think that will help me a little bit. And I have these little Velcro straps I keep around. I actually use it primarily for my other bikes, but it helps me hold the batteries in and so on. And so it's kind of handy Velcro to have around. Alright, now I just need to lift this bad boy into the trunk. Grab the lifting handles. I'm going to pick it up by the, not by the fender wire, but by the rack. Come on, handle. Oh, the bike pedal's not going to let me. Really? That's just a number 15 wrench. It's pretty easy to come off. Just make sure you put it all the way back in when you put it back in. Alright, let's try this again. Why is it? My pannier bags! Note to self. Can't have the pannier bags. My pannier bags are getting in the way. So, I'm going to have to undo this for a second. I'm still going to try to do it without taking off the bag. See if I can just fold it over. Alright. Third time's a charm for the back, right? Let's do this. What's going on here? The bike handlebars aren't letting me go in. So, let's see if I can explain this and figure out what's going on. What's the best way to do this? I'm able to put it in first. Well, what you can't see is I actually have a bunch of crap shoved into the back of it. That's kind of my fault. And it's kind of in the way. I didn't think it would be, but it is. You got to be kidding me. So close. So close. Sitting here. Okay. Foldable chair? Probably don't need that. Extra blankets. You never know when you get stuck on the road, right? Hard hat. I got a helmet. Just more crap. General crap. I guess crap is crap. Alright, let's do this. Okay. See if this will let me. Slide it in more. This is it. Okay, so the back of the wheel is hitting the speaker. So this part can't go any further. So I'm gonna see if I can twist it. I took all that stuff out of there. Success! It's in there. Look at that. Yay! Alright. So that was success. Eventually. Success! I was finally able to put the bike into the trunk of my Corolla. It took a little finagling, and it's a heavy bike, so just beware of that. So if you have a bad back, this is probably not the best way for you to do it. I actually have a bad bag, but you know, I'm stubborn. So just to recap, I did have to actually remove the pedal because I have a non-folding pedal on my bike. And the reason is because I don't really like the folding pedal. I find it to slip on me or fold on me when I'm actually cranking down hard. I like an aftermarket pedal where it's a little bigger and a lot more bite to it. But that's pretty easy. Just take a number 15 and this comes right off. Just remember, when you put it back, make sure you thread it all the way back in. If you don't, if you only partially thread it, you can actually rip it out of the crank arm. Also, I had to actually not fold over the handlebars all the way. Get the bike in and then kind of laid flat and then fold the handlebars down and then slide it in. That seems to work a lot better to do it that way. You do need, it is kind of high where the tire is, and it was hitting the speakers. So you need to be able to rotate it, so make sure the back of your trunk isn't full of junk like the back of my trunk is. And lastly, when you put your battery back into the trunk and all that stuff, just make sure you bring your key with you. Right? Don't lose the key. And don't forget to pick the batteries and the seats back in. So here's the seat. Let me drop the batteries. To be safe, I just keep the key in the battery. That way I don't forget the battery or the keys. Slide that in. So seat, keys, battery, my pannier bag, my extra pedal. I'm going to throw my number 15. I got a ton of these because when I was build stuff, they always give you these junk wrenches. And so I got a ton of these. I'm just going to keep this in my trunk. Okay. All right. So with that, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and share button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That really helped me out. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next random video.